let's get ready together. It's gonna be minimal talking, so it's really gonna be like girly makeup vibes. Starting off with skincare. This is the BYOMA Milky Toner. Next I'm using the BYOMA moisturizer. This is the barrier repair treatment. My skin is going through a rough time. I don't even know why. I always almost forget my eye cream, but I'm using this one from TILBURY. This is the Magic Eye Cream. And then for my lips, also BYOMA. This is the Lip Tight Lip Mask. For makeup, I'm gonna do underpainting first. I'm gonna use minimal foundation. I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever palette. I think this one is the fair to medium. Now I'm gonna blend out the concealer first. Moving on to the blush, and I will do the contouring slash bronzer at the end. For today, I'm going to be using the SAIE Tinted Moisturizer. This one has SPF in it as well and is in the shade 3.5. Using the same brush that I blend everything with. Before I go any further, I'm going to use this SPF. This is the Garnier Super UV Over Makeup Mist. I almost forgot my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna do them real quick. This is the Anastasia Brow Freeze. I'm just gonna brush them up. Now to set everything in place, I'm going to use the HUDA Beauty Easy Bake. This one is in the shade Pound Cake. Now I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. This is the powder bronzer in the shade Tan. For blush, I'm going in with the Patrick Ta. This is in Shir's Seductive. I'm just gonna use the powder blush here. Now my face is done, I'm gonna use the TILBURY setting spray. I'm gonna curl my lashes. Then for mascara, I'm using the HUDA BEAUTY One Coat Wow mascara. It's just in black. For my lip combo, I'm just gonna use two products. This is the MAC lip liner in Plum. Let me remove my lip balm first. And then next, I'm gonna go in with the MAC lipstick. This one is in the shade Thanks It's MAC. Really, really pretty. Last step will be some faux freckles, just to make this look really natural. That's it for this makeup look. I already feel so much better. Just gonna fluff out my hair. I really hope you enjoyed getting ready together, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!